Tank. Question number 1. When your cargo tank has baffles, what handling effect do you expect? Handling effect. There will be less side-to-side search, or less front-to-back search, or more slow search than quick search. Baffles, those are special separations inside of the tank, and they separate the tank into different compartments from front to back, and that's why they would and they also have holes inside of them. But the purpose of baffles is to prevent front to back search, because again, baffles, they separate the tank into several compartments from front to back, and they prevent front to back search of the fluids, of the liquids inside. So the right answer is B. They prevent front to back. You just need to know what the baffles are. Question number 2. If you are driving a tanker and need to steer quickly to avoid a hazard, what you need to do if you need to steer quickly while driving tanker? Definitely the right answer is B. You should not apply the brakes while turning. Common sense. It applies to the case when you drive any vehicle. If you need to steer quickly, avoid applying brakes while turning. Okay, it's again, it applies to any vehicle, and especially to the tank vehicle. Okay. Number 3. Which of these is the best way to take a curve? Again, all you need to remember is that tanker vehicle is more difficult to operate, and that's why the answer is A. You need to slow to the safe speed before entering, and then accelerate slightly through the curve. What can help you to find the right answer here is the word before. Everything needs to be done before.
Yeah, we know this from general knowledge.
Yeah, it's the same logic which you used answering general knowledge, any other set of questions. Okay, before entering, and then accelerate slightly. Question number 4. Hauling liquids in tankers requires special care for 2 reasons. One reason is given. One reason is blank center of gravity. What kind of center of gravity the tank vehicle has? It has high center of gravity. Okay, one of the reasons why tankers require special care is the high center of gravity. Again, it's obvious. You cannot distribute the liquid close to the ground. Okay, and the center of gravity in tank vehicle always will be high. Okay, empty trucks. You need to complete the statement. What empty trucks can do, or what the characteristic they require: greater stopping distance than full ones. You see, this question even will ask you not about the tank, just about the general consideration. And you should be familiar with this answer from general knowledge section. Empty trucks require greater stopping distance than full ones because on empty trucks they are not pressed to the ground, and you cannot use the power of brake system and suspension system. Empty trucks, greater stopping.
Always pay attention to our keywords.
Question number 6. An emergency forces you to stop your tanker quickly or crash. What should you do if you have to stop? Otherwise you would crash. Definitely you need to use controlled or step braking. Again, You're probably familiar with this answer from general knowledge section, from air brake section, from combination vehicle section. It also applies here. Whenever you are in an emergency situation, use controlled or step braking to prevent your wheels to be locked.
And keep on a straight line.
Yep. Question number 7. Side-to-side surge can cause, again obvious, what could cause side-to-side, from side to side rollover? It starts rocking your vehicle from side to side, and it could be easily turned over. Question number 8. You should be extremely cautious when driving smooth bore tanks without baffles, without any separations inside. So you have to be extremely cautious when driving smooth bore tanks, especially when you are, right answer is starting or stopping. You need to remember that if you have your tank without baffles, without bulkhead, smooth tank, you should be extremely cautious, anytime definitely, but especially when starting or stopping the vehicle. Good. Question number 9. You are driving a tanker truck and the front wheels begin to skid. Which of these is most likely to occur? Right answer is A. You will continue in a straight line and keep moving forward no matter how much you steer. Again, this applies to any vehicle and definitely applies to tanker vehicle, to tanker truck. If it begins to skid, you will continue in a straight line and keep moving forward. Doesn't matter how much you would steer. Okay, straight line. If it goes into this